going? Where you going? You motherfucker. Come here. Come here, give me a wipe or something, man.
No.
Come on, help me out. I wouldn't leave your ass sitting there like that.
I know, that'd be fucked up with it.
I know, please. Some kind of, I didn't buy no wipes or nothing yet. It's on my blanket too. On a blanket tonight. I need to borrow one. Look at it, it's real bad too. Maybe I should throw it away. The little motherfuckers have some nasty. They got some ugly ass shit, don't they? Look. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry! What bag? It's on me. Here, give me the bag. Can I find it? I want wipes. Anything. Wipes. It's still on me, you know, it's sinking into my skin possibly.
This bitch is crazy.
Hurry, please. Look, my blanket. Look at my blanket. That's the only little blanket I got. My blanket is full up all cute and has Velcro and shit. Come on here.